So, hello everyone, my name is KLAUZ Gabriel Baste. So, for today's evening, um, we're going to illustrate or explaining the Java program that calculates the area and perimeter of a rectangle using J option pane. So, let's start. So, uh, let's begin, guys. Our my output, not introducing you today the J option pane and how the what do you call this, the calculates the area and perimeter of a rectangle with using the J option pane. So I am not gonna everyone knows that we're gonna just import the JavaX string J option pane. So we just have to jump up to this string length 1. So in this area is inside the main method, we first ask the user to enter the length of the rectangle. So to enter the rectangle, the length of rectangle, we're just gonna have to use J option pane that show input dialog, just like that, and then we just have to enter the length of the rectangle, and then to display dialog box, we all know that show input dialog is displaying a dialog box with a message prompting the user to enter the length. So the input is returning a string. So the input is mabalik yan sa string. So it's important to understand that J option pane that show input dialog, parati yan babalik sa string, even if the user is nag-enter na sa number. So muna siya babalik yan. So because we need to perform calculations, we convert to the string input to a double using double parse double. This allows us to work with the length as a numerical value. So you know naman that we use this as a numerical value. We repeat this process for the width, same with the length and width. So just like this. And then so now that we have the length and width, we can calculate the area and parameter. So in this area, it shows a double area, length and plus width, and then we calculate this one. So take note, so this is just a simple kasi hindi pa kasi ako marunong, so simple lang sa paggawa natin sa akin. So and then double area. So the area is simply the length multiplied by the width. So this area is length is just multiplying by the width, and then the perimeter is twice the sum of the length and width. twice siya kaduha kung sa Bisaya pa. And finally, we display the results to the user using J option pane that show message dialog. So, where, so, so, on this the area and plus area and the perimeter plus perimeter. So this area, we just have to show the message dialog and the rectangle calculations. So the screen, this method takes several arguments. The parent component, we use null and to enter the screen. So we use null to display into the screen. So the message to display the title of the dialog box and a message of type. In this case, we use a information message to display an information icon to display when we run this whole program. And that's it. It's just a simple program that demonstrates how to use J option pane, the simple one, to get input from the user and display results. So finally, I'll just use the system that exit is so system that exit is called to terminate the program. So right now I'm going to run this program. So wait for a while. Tang. So I'm going to yan. So we just have to input the length of the rectangle. So we just have to cast the 7 and then the width of the rectangle, which is in my own is 4. So the area is 28.0 and the perimeter is 22.0. So that is the area and the perimeter that we want to get with. So thank you guys for listening to my simple J option pane using this simple the length and the width of the rectangle using J option pane. So thank you guys for watching.